I got some new tires delivered here to replace the original tires on my ID4 2021 ID4. As you can see here, it's the Scorpion WeatherActive 235/55/19. The reason I want to replace my original tires with this set here is, first of all, the original one is already worn out, and I also want to have better grip in the winter time, because this car's performance in the winter time is absolutely awful. If the road is icy or snowy, you wouldn't be able to maneuver really well with the original tires. The original tires, as you can see here, is Alenza Sport AS 235/55 on the front and 255 and 50 on the rear. Let's see if I can get a tire shop to change the tires to 235 also here for me. Okay, the car right now has about 28,500 miles. Let me show you how much tread wear I have so far, especially on the rear ones. Okay, here's the rear tire, Alenza Sport AS 255/50. Got our famous President Lincoln here. Let's see how much we have. It's barely touching his hair, as you can see here. And I would say there's some uneven where, as you can see, it's just touching his hairline there. This is also kind of the same case. So the wear issue on the rear tires is about this much. Okay, I'm going to do a comparison with the front tires. Moving to the front, as you can see, this is 235/50, also 19-inch tire. See how much we're crossing the hairline. I would say there's definitely uneven wear in this staggered setup between front and the rear. Another one here. See, I don't even have to change these tires, but just for the sake of consistency, I'm going to replace all four of them with the Pirelli WeatherActive tires. Wish me good luck. I know some tire shops do not want to replace your rear tires with a size that is different from the OEM tires. I'm gonna try my luck here. Okay, before I head to the tire shop, I want to show you how tight the fit is to get 4 tires in your ID4. I thought the space would be quite easy to get the 4 tires in, but the openings are quite difficult, tricky to maneuver through. Yeah, and I also want to show you what my energy efficiency is so far. Okay, I just want to quickly show you how my energy efficiency was in the last 680 miles. Not super long term, and it all happened during the semi-winter time, where we had roughly 35 to 45-ish degree temperature. I averaged around 18 kilowatt hour per 100 kilometers. I want to show you later on, once I do some tests, whether changing to this all-weather tires would significantly affect my energy efficiency. My hope is it's not gonna be, because this is not winter tires, it's all-weather tires. But I guess I didn't see any data online. I want to be a data point. Okay, let me show you how it looks like. So this local tire shop helped me mount the tires. Here, as you can see, these tires are directional, so you do see a little mark to tell you where you should mount the tires to. Yeah, it looks pretty nice on the front. On the rear, as you can see, it also looks pretty nice. Again, it's directional, so you do see the little mark here to tell you the rotation direction. It looks pretty nice on the car. Yeah. Okay, I just got home from the tire shop. I want to share maybe a few very preliminary insights about this tire. So when I got into the vehicle, and I immediately noticed that the tires are more rigid than the original almost worn out Alenza tires I had on my ID4. On the road, I would say the noise level was almost the same, maybe a slightly higher noise level, but it's not nearly even noticeable. I don't feel certain about making this claim that the noise from this tire, the road noise from this tire, is higher than Alenza from Bridgestone. So, considering the added snow performance, I would say this is certainly worth trading for. Get your all-season tire Alenza switched to this WeatherActive. On the energy efficiency side, I think it still needs a longer-term test to know whether it's actually going to affect my user experience on driving this ID4. The other thing I want to mention is about the cornering experience on this tire. Maybe it's because the tires are brand new compared to the old ones. I noticed dramatic improvement on the turning around cornering experience on this vehicle. Yeah, I will keep monitoring how these tires do and give you guys updates in terms of the long-term user experience. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon.